Hi, my name is Ant Joblin and you're watching Smart Money, the show that gives you the inside edge on where smart money resides. Today we're revisiting a company that we covered last November and that has doubled in price since. That company is Immunomedics. Immunomedics is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company that develops monoclonal antibody-based products for the targeted treatment of cancer. The New Jersey-based company has a healthy pipeline of products in development and works in partnership with the likes of AstraZeneca, MedImmune and Samsung Biologics on its projects. On May 1st, Immunomedics announced the closing of its previously announced underwritten public offering of common stock. The total number of shares of common stock sold was 16.9 million, composed of 14.7 million shares of common stock initially offered and an additional 2.2 million shares of common stock sold pursuant to the full exercise of the underwriter's option to purchase additional shares, in each case at a public offering price of $28.50 per share. The total net proceeds from the offering are estimated to be approximately $459 million after deducting underwriting discounts and commissions. Immunomedics intends to use the net proceeds from these offering primarily in three ways. First, to support the commercial launch of Trodelvy in the United States in metastatic triple-negative breast cancer. Second, to continue to expand the clinical development programs for Trodelvy. And third, to invest in the broader clinical development of the platform and continue to scale up the manufacturing and manufacturing process improvements, as well as for working capital and general corporate purposes. Now, generally speaking, if a company raises capital by selling more shares, the result is a dilution of the holdings of existing shareholders. On the surface, this action should result in a share price drop. However, since the price of a stock in the market is based on investor expectations, issuing new shares may be viewed as a positive or negative for the share price, or even both, depending on an investor's time frame. In the case of Immunomedics, the market has clearly seen this as a bullish development. The firm recently held an earnings call on May 6th, which covered the results for the first quarter of 2020. The biopharmaceutical company beat earnings per share forecasts by $0.02. Avoro Capital Advisors is a global life science investment firm with a focus on supporting emerging biotechnology companies founded in 2009. The company is stacked with Ivy League PhDs and medical professionals, and they focus on publicly traded and late-stage private biotech companies. They currently hold 29 companies in their portfolio and have over $2 billion assets under management. The firm recently spent $49.8 million on 1.75 million shares at $28.50 on May 1st, which takes their total holdings in the firm to $26,250,000 with a current market value of $856 million. Now let's finish up and take a look at the technicals. While the current move has pushed the stock into multi-year highs, there is still a bit of room until it approaches its all-time high of $41.13 reached in the year 2000. There has been a golden cross on the daily chart where the shorter-term moving average crosses above the longer term. Momentum is now ranging in overbought territory. That's all we have time for this week. As always, make sure you do your comprehensive research before making an investment decision. Thanks for watching and see you next time.